Hello and welcome to HisFlame's Home of Crafts. My name is Jen and today we are going to be covering the Make One Left stitch. So this is a left leaning increase similar to the right, used in raglans or anywhere in a knitting project where you are looking to create a directionally leaning increase. As I've done in the other demonstrations, I've knit a swatch that's got some samples of the Make One Left stitch. I'll go through a silent demonstration and then I'll talk everyone through it, both continental and English style. So to start with, here is my swatch. I've inserted a stitch marker and I've made two Make One Lefts after one stitch after the marker. So I've knit one stitch past the marker, made one left, and finished the row. Here I've done, again, one stitch past the marker, a Make One Left, and then I've knit one row and purled one row to create a stockinette fabric. I'll just do a quick silent demo and then talk you guys through this Make One Left stitch. So that was a simple Make One Left. The instructions in your project will say something along the lines of knit to marker, knit one stitch, make one left, or knit to marker, make one left, or knit to marker, slip marker, make one left usually. You'll do the make one after the marker just so that your marker doesn't move through your project. So I have knit to my marker, slip my marker, knit one, and then I'm going to make one left. So using your left hand needle, and you see the bar between your two stitches here, right here, you're going to insert your left hand needle from the front to the back and pick that bar up. And then I usually just run my right hand needle around the tip of that left hand needle to pick up the stitch and knit it through the back leg. Again, same with all other increases and really any knitting that I've discussed so far. You want to keep your project nice and loose. You want to keep your hands nice and loose so that you're able to easily pick up, knit, and slip that stitch. And one more time. So keeping your work nice and close to the ends of your needles, nice and relaxed and loose. Keep your hands loose. Pick up the bar in between the stitches from the front to the back, up and around to knit through the back leg of that stitch. Bring your yarn around and knit the stitch. And you can see it's creating all left leaning stitches in this fabric. So knit across and we'll do that again. So knitting as I come to my marker here, you slip your marker, knit one, or as is described in your pattern, and picking up that bar between your stitches from the front to the back, knit it through the back leg, and carry on knitting. So again, insert your needle from the front to the back, and you can just using your needle, push back into that leg to pick it up, around, and knit. And that's how you do make one left in a knitting project. As I mentioned with the make one rights, always make sure that you read the stitch definitions in your pattern just to make sure that this is what your pattern is describing as a make one left. This is traditionally what is intended, but it's always just best to double check your design or your pattern, double check your design, and make sure that this is what you're being instructed to do. So again, just a quick look at that fabric. So using double pointed needles, they don't curve as much, but you can see I've picked up after one stitch after my marker, and it's created a line of left-leaning increases throughout my fabric. So it creates that nice straight line with the left-leaning stitches for the increased fabric going off to the left. And that is how you make one left. If you have any questions or any other tutorials that you want to have me demonstrate, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comments section, and I look forward to hearing from you.